फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशन।
Oh my God, मैं डर गई।
बड़े ही इंथुजियाज्म के साथ आपने स्टार्ट किया।
जो अंदर अप्लॉज था सबसे ज्यादा असुर को ही था।
What is this?
Sweet.
क्या कहते हैं, इट्स आल्सो फर्स्ट माइथोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर।
Yeah,
इसके बारे में क्या
you've got it right. You have got it right.
It's not a mythological thriller. The mythological end is the backdrop of the whole thing. So yeah, it's a psychological thriller with the backdrop being an
With the
idea of
texture
mythology.
of mythology.
Elaborate।
नो मतलब सी सरफेस लेवल पे अगर आप स्टोरी देखें तो हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं फॉरेंसिक ऑफिसर्स की टीम है जो एक किलर को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट द स्टोरी इज़। बट व्हेन यू स्क्रैच द सरफेस एंड व्हेन यू डिग डीप इनटू व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द स्टोरी, यू रियलाइज दैट इट्स कनेक्टेड टू गुड बैड, dark light, right wrong, you know, it's making the audience and yourself think of what is right and wrong in you, and it makes you question yourself and makes you think of these things which हमें पता सबको है, लेकिन हम सब बोलते हैं इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल पे कि पता है मुझे तो पता है, मुझे तो पता है, बट हम भूल जाते हैं। So that's what the show.
So the bottom line is कि surface scratch करना चाहिए, अंदर
Yeah.
सब dark है।
I don't know why you're saying
So
what.
basically, जब आप उन situations में आते हैं in real life, that is when you're really tested about the so-called surface level questions जिनको आप सोचते हैं societal basis पे कि ये सही और ये गलत है। जब आप the crux of the matter is कि this questions you in the situation, and जो audience देख रही होगी वो भी देख के फिर शायद सोचने पे hopefully मजबूर होगी, and then they'll be able to understand where their sensibilities lie.
ओके, हम सभी से भी जानना चाहेंगे कि वेब सीरीज को लेकर सबका यही मानना अभी जो बात की है कि एक्सप्लोर करने का ज़्यादा मौका देता है इन बेस ऑफ कैरेक्टर। सो आप भी यही मानते हैं या डिफरेंट आपके व्यूज?
First, I think she should answer. She's the principal of.
Shut up and stop
Yes.
saying that.
Ira, let me. I say I should rag na, like you're a senior. We are ragging you.
That isn't a good thing sometimes, the way you said it.
No,
You're a
that's
young
a good
senior.
thing. Yeah, you're a young
Yeah,
senior.
fine. But yeah, I think absolutely. Web has offered a lot of opportunities to us actors. Yeah, मतलब पहले खाली टीवी हुआ करता था शायद, और खाली फिल्म्स हुआ करते थे, हम जैसे एक्टर्स जो इंटरेस्टिंग काम करना चाहते हैं, who don't want to get bogged down by playing characters which we can't relate to finally. Those things are not there anymore. There's enough work for everybody, and they're experimenting with newer concepts, newer actors, faces. They are taking bold decisions in terms of everything. The content, like अभी हमारे जैसे यही शो है, ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो कभी एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं की गई है, एंड इट्स बीन मेड एट अ वेरी बिग लेवल। काफ़ी इसमें हार्ड अर्न मनी, पैसा, इन्वेस्टमेंट, मेहनत सब गई है, एंड बट they've taken the risk, both the channel and the producers and all of us actors. So yeah, that's a great place.
How interesting and fun was your shoot, because काफी twist and turn हमने सुना इसमें है, तो कितना interesting और fun था?
So बहुत फनी बात ये है कि हमारा शूट बहुत फनी था, लाइक वी वर जस्ट हैविंग फन, वी वर ऑल लिटरली ऑन सेट। जितना इंटेंस और जितना लाइक ग्रिम एंड डार्क आपको एपिसोड या शोज दिखाई देंगे, एपिसोड्स दिखाई देंगे, हम उतनी ही मज़े कर रहे थे ऑन सेट।
तो
I mean,
हमने मेथड एक्टिंग बिल्कुल
नहीं की है, like we were following, and I think our director Oni, we are missing him today, he was prepared to the T, like वो हर चीज़ को इतनी अच्छी तरह prepare करते थे। He would create storyboards, like he's very good with, he would doodle out storyboards to us, and I would just keep looking at him that, man, you're an artist, you're a genius.
Oh, he is artist.
So yeah, so like वो सारा उन्होंने इतना वो लिया हुआ था, he had taken everything, yeah, and he had it all in his head, so we could chill. Like I remember on the days that I shot, I just followed him. Like I was like, I'll follow him to the T, and bas that's it. I don't need to put extra brains into anything, because I mean, obviously as an actor you ask questions, you want to know why you're doing what and why is this happening and what happened before and after and all of that, but on set it was just the opposite, at least for me. Like we just had a lot of fun.
You for sure आएंगे। मुझे याद है कि 1-2 सीन्स कर रहे थे हम लोग, बड़े डार्क सीन्स थे, तो सेट पे बड़ी शांति थी, लेकिन रिद्धि वाज इन हर एलिमेंट।
मेरा पैर भी टूट गया था गाइस ऑन द सेट, ऐसे ही चलते फिरते। हाँ, कुछ नहीं, पैकअप अनाउंस हुआ कि पैकअप हो गया, और मैं गई जंपिंग एंड आई ट्विस्टेड माय एंकल एंड आई फेल, and but it was all good.
बेसिकली पैकअप होने की खुशी में पैर तोड़ लिया उसने। बनारस में हुआ है कुछ शूट, नॉट लॉट ऑफ इट। बनारस की शूट के बारे में,
अपने बारे में,
अपने
किरदार के बारे में जो किरदार आप
यार हाँ, मेरा कैरेक्टर मतलब वर्क वाइज द थिंग इज कि इफ यू वांट टू कॉल इट कि सिर्फ एक फॉरेंसिक एक्सपर्ट है जिसको केसेस सॉल्व करने होते हैं, बट इन द शो द ह्यूमन दैट ही इज, उसकी पूरी लाइफ मतलब ऐसे की ऐसी होगी शो में, तो बहुत ट्रांजिशन है। नहीं मैं आपको
Arshad Basi भी है इस
Gee, we are missing you, Arshad sir.
So how was the experience?
Wow,
Because वो
lovely.
बहुत ही funny inside.
Oh, हाँ.
Full of energy.
He's a bone crackler completely.
Yeah,
And
he can't stay without cracking jokes.
मतलब
हर बात
पूरे
में उनको मारना ही मारना है।
समय 24/7, like after in between every scene. I remember there was one scene where all of these guys were there. You weren't there, but Sharib, him, no, you were obviously not there.
Don't give it away.
But then any which ways. So, but there were mainly some 4-5 actors, and I had to cry.
Yeah,
okay?
I remember that.
I hated these buggers because I really had to cry throughout the thing,
अच्छा,
and these people just kept cracking jokes in between shots. Like
ऐसा नहीं कि वो
and these-
insensitive नहीं है, but this is funny.
Shut up, they're all insensitive people. And listen, I also wanted to be a part of it, okay? I wanted to enjoy it.
पर भैया काम भी तो होता है ना।
I know यार, लेकिन अब मैं next time Gliss के साथ ही पहुंचूंगी. The director like Oni. So Oni and I used to have this discussion. We were like, इसमें मैं नहीं रोने वाली हूँ, बहुत रोना हो गया. And he was like, हाँ. And then after a take, he'd be like, तुम्हें रोना चाहिए ना? तो he like, हाँ, actually थोड़ा tear.
Damn, everyone's crying so much in the show, man.
Yeah.
Or is it only you and me?
No, I think it was just two of you. I was very busy doing my work.
Actually, because of you.
I cried in one scene. I cried in one scene, and Oni built it up for me like, today you have to cry, and I was like, okay.
I
He
did
said,
it every single
I
day
want
on
this
that
cake. Will you be able to give it to me? And I was like, yeah. Okay, we'll see. And we shot it, he got it, and he came up to me. He's telling me an incident about another actor who he underestimated. Indirectly telling me that, how do you guys do that? He's like, there was this Brazilian girl I worked with, and I told her you have to cry, and she cried. How do they do it? And I was like, thanks, Oni. Thanks for very subtly telling me you didn't expect it from me.
Okay, Ashley, दर्शकों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे and कब streaming हो रहा है?
Streaming is on. जाइए, हमें देखना बंद करिए, बूट सिलेक्ट को सिलेक्ट करिए, सब्सक्रिप्शन आप सिलेक्ट करिए and
Binge watch.
Asur and then give us feedback.
Yay!
Thank you. Thanks.